Hello guys, how are you everyone? So just arrived a package here and let's go and see what's inside, guys. Okay, all right, so this is Secotech. Yes guys, this is extreme titanium, okay, centrifugal juicer. Let's see if it is nice. Okay, so it comes guys with this manual, yes, and explanations, and look at this beautiful color. Yes, I love it. This is rose gold, and let's take this out. Wow. So I think this is the jug. This is the jug. Yes. I just removed the plastic, guys, and now we can see much better. So this is the powers, guys, and this is the jug. Yes, so you can also pull this up, guys, in that way. It's like that. Okay, so it's like this, and then once the jug is full, then just lift this up so it won't drop anything. Okay, and then this is the lock. There are two locks, one in front and one behind, and this is the pusher. Yes, so you're going to push the fruits and vegetables. Yes. Okay, so let's see inside. All right, so let's pull it up. Ayan, guys. So we can see this. Yeah, this is very sharp, Hailey. This is very sharp. Don't touch, okay?
I can touch.
Yes. So ito, guys, this is the one. So ito yung ano, yung nag-grind. Yes. And all the pulp dito naman siya, na-stuck yung pulp dito, guys. Yes. And it comes also with brush kasi nga as in very sharp ito, so we have this brush to clean it after we use. So this is where the pulp, guys, napupunta. Yes, so malaki siya, guys. Malaki siya. So I love it. So hugasan ko muna lahat, guys, and then let's try it, okay? Kung maganda ang result niya. So let's try. Okay guys, so I prepared carrots. I don't know how many carrots in here. Yes. And 2 oranges. So itry lang natin, guys. Yes. Guys, yes, it's a little bit noisy
And scary.
and scary. OMG, I'm scared.
Me too.
It is so noisy. Oh my gosh. It is so noisy, guys. It's like a motorbike. Oh my god, because it has 1,300 watts. But ito guys, this is the juice. Yes, can you see? Alright guys, so it's time to pour some of these. Ayan, so oranges and carrots.
It's so orange.
That is the color of the carrots.
Love it.
The keratin of the carrots. Okay, so let Haley try it.
Wow.
What do you think?
So good.
Okay, so let me try it. So let's try it.
I tell
Really
you.
good. I love it. I love it. I love it. The combination of orange and carrot is really good. You have to try, guys, if you have this juicer.
Yes, it's so good.
Delicious. Wanna try, guys? Okay guys, so we are going to unbox this. This is the package that I received this morning. So let's unbox it, okay? So lovely, guys, look at that. So guys, bale 30 pieces, guys, 30 piece cutlery set lahat, so 30 pieces, guys. So let's see. Yes, ito yung sample niya, guys. Ito yung sample niya, and let's see inside. I read the reviews were really good, kaya binili ko ito, guys. So nice! I'm so in love with this. Oh, ayan. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. Oh. So dito na, guys. Dito na siya. Hmm. 30 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 guys na spoons. Okay, so 6 na tablespoons, 6 na knife, 6 na fork, 6 na teaspoon, and 6 na small fork. Ang gaganda niya, guys. So, nakalagay siya ng plastic isa-isa. So, we are going to clean it, guys. Yes. Look at that. So shiny. So shiny. Oh, I love it. I'm so loving it. So, this is inox, guys. 100% inox. Hindi siya magra-rust. I so love it. As in, ang ganda, guys, ng marka niya, yung tatak niya. I'm not sure if you can see it. Ayan. guys, isa sa mga reviews guys na nabasa ko, sabi niya na hindi daw mag-fade ito guys kasi nga as in na washed siya ng parang gold. Hindi siya mag-fade guys. So, let's see. Let's try. Let's see. Yes. I will tell you in a few months kung ano nga ang resulta. Ano guys, medyo mabigat siya, especially the spoon. Especially the spoon guys, mabigat siya kasi as in a very thick guys, very thick. Yes. So I'm going to wash by hand guys, and then I'll dry. Kaso nga lang guys, ang nabasa ko na review about, kasi pag mabasa siya, tapos pag hayaan mo lang siya na ma-dry, as in na may spot siya daw. Yung spot ng tubig, as in na nakikita talaga. So, yeah. Yun lang ang isa na hindi maganda. But you can wipe it. It's easy. No problem, right? Maybe I will put in the dishwasher, guys. Yes. I changed my mind.